Hey, it's Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, just like you. In this video, we are going to review and practice how to multiply fractions. So what I need for you to do is go get your notebook and a pencil, and let's begin. Now, hold on. Before we get started, go ahead and sign into your YouTube account, because once you put everything down in your notebook, you need to make sure that you put your answers where? In the comments below. So if you have not done that, go ahead and sign in right here or right here. Sign in. And once you're done signing in, if you have not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and go ahead and like this video. You can like it before you watch it, or just wait till the end and hit the like button if it was so easy for you. All right, so we are working on multiplying fraction, which is super easy. And before we begin, I'm going to give you some steps. You can go ahead and write this down in your notebook. All right. So there we have multiplying fractions. What are the steps? Let me cover that up. The steps to multiplying fractions are so easy. First thing you need to do is to multiply the numerators. And where do you find the numerators? The numerator are the top numbers of a fraction. So the number on top of a fraction. Then what's the next step? Multiply the denominator. And what's that? That is the bottom number of a fraction. And then once you have your answer, you always do what? Simplify your answers. Okay? All right. So this is what I'm going to do. I am going to show you the questions, and you're going to work them out in your notebook at the end of the video. I might go ahead and work some of these out to give you an example, okay? All right, so here's number 1. 1/2 times 2/3. And remember, the steps are multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators, then you simplify, okay? So you can actually, is it straight? You can pause it if you need to pause it right there and copy it down and work it out. Number 2 is 3/4 times 2/5. Number 3 is 1/3 times 9/10. And number 4 is 5/6 times 4/5. All right, now in the comments below, I want you to, because this might be kind of tricky because they are fractions. Go ahead and type these down and see how they look written out. So just in one comment, just put number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Type it out and then work it out on there on the screen. Hopefully I can understand that, because I do not just want you typing answers down. But if you do, I don't even know. I don't know. Maybe if I let you type the answers down, I do need to see your notebook. Actually, you know what? No, put everything in the comments. Put everything in the comments below. All right? Okay, so let me work some of these out. I'm going to pick one. Let me go get a marker. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. All right, I'm back right here. Okay, so I'll do number 1, 1/2 times 2/3. Okay, so in your notebook, go ahead and work it out. We're going to multiply the numerators. 1 times 2 that's 2. And then 2 times 3 is what? That's 6. And we always do what? Simplify your answer. Simplify. So let's look. 2, 6. Can I divide 2 and 6 by any common factor? Any number? What can you think of? I can divide it by 2. Divided by 2. And what's 2 divided by 2? That is 1. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. Can I divide 1 and 3 again? You can divide it by 1, but then you end up with the same answer. So bam, that is your correct answer right there. 1/3. Okay, so easy. So I just did the first one for you. Go ahead and do number 2, 3, and 4. Do all of them in your notebook. And when you're finished with that, don't forget, put your answers and show all your work in the comments below. If you need any help, maybe you can message me whatever questions you have, or come see me in class and I'll help you with that. All right, love you. Mwah.